Good morning. Another day, another job hunting day. So update. Actually, ako'y duha ka na withdraw na application. I was supposed to have an interview na. Pero I had to withdraw the application because of the location. So it's outside, like the other side siya sa where we currently live. So dili siya ideal if mag-commute ko kay. Of course, nagtrabaho man sila kung bana and he leaves the house before 7. So mura og kapiki jud ko sa oras if mag-commute ko bus kay two rides siya. And it's not like the same sa Pilipinas baya diri na maghuwat lang ka sa gawas or walk lang kag pila ka minutes sa highway nya nara magsunod-sunod na ang jeep or bus. But here kay scheduled siya. Maglisod sad ko if winter kay tugnaw kaayo wala maghuwat ko og bus nya maglakaw ko for 15 minutes to transfer to another bus stop. So naghuwat na lang nagkuan ko nag-apply ko bay-ubay na sa kog na apply. See? Kung naka-red mo na kung mga di pang withdraw. And, kung wala ka na dawat. So, yes. Lang waiting ko sa akong husband kay we're gonna work on my mother-in-law's front yard and backyard. So, my husband's here and then so mag-grout na mi sa slabs front yard. But first, we'll have my second coffee of the day. Never mind. Nalimot ko dala og kape. Kapoy na balik sa pasaw. Let's get to work. So mao na siya amo ang groutan para dili mo tubo ang mga weeds. So nabasa na siya and then we're gonna pour the katong para sa grouting. So we're gonna use this one sika. No need na siya i-mix. Ito na ni Gyabo.
Good for a shark to bring them back away. Optimizing manufacturing. That was up to my PDA.
Yes, please. What's that?
Frappuccino.
Okay. Thank you so much, my love. You see, that's how you win my affection.
How do you get these just in case we're hungry later after dinner? Or do you want to get something else?
Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, chicken buffalo. Yep, they do.
We can do them maybe tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow, Friday? Is Emily not coming?
Yeah. Spend my money tomorrow. about lunch tomorrow? Because I'll be coming home for lunch tomorrow.
Oh, maybe that instead?
Those things?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one with sesame, please.
You get your Brennan's bread, good Irish bread. Do you have jam?
I think so. There's still a bit left.
Pop it. That's like the kind of cream cheddar that we eat dairy and stuff. That's good as well. You don't want any of this light shit.
That one. The original. We got the original, but maybe there's something else like better.